How to switch accounts in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can switch your Roblox account. So simply launch your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once your application launches you will see an interface like this. Now after your app has been successfully launched, you will need to click on this more option at the bottom right, and it will open this more page. Now in this particular page you will need to scroll down at the bottom and you will see this top option, that is the switch accounts. So simply click onto this switch accounts option and it will show you this particular interface where the first option or the first account is that particular account where you are currently logged in, marked by this green tick, and then at the bottom you will find all of the other accounts that you have added in your device. So if you haven't added a secondary account, you can simply click on this add account button, and then from there you can have two further options, either to log in into an existing account or create a new account. If you already have another account, you can choose this login to existing account option, and then you can use your username and password or passkeys or quick sign in option in order to log in into your secondary account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.